Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So, welcome to our school today, Academic Height Public School. As you all know that we had done with the chapter number 1. Now it's chapter number 2, that is addition and subtraction, and our today's topic is addition. Shall we start with the topic addition? You all are well versed with addition, how to add 25 and 12. So after adding 25 and 12 we'll get 37. But I want to point one thing in your mind. Here 25 is addendum, 12 is addendum, and the answer that is 37 is sum. So I want to say that the numbers that we are adding are called as addendums, and the answer after addition that we'll get is called as the sum. How to do addition? Addition. We are doing it from the very first class of our school. So how we are doing it? We are adding the numbers or digits according to place value, and we'll move from left to right. That is, in addition sum, we'll add the ones column first, that is 4 plus 4 is 8, and then tens column, 0 plus 3 is 3, then 100, 3 plus 2 is 5, then thousands column, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is how we'll move. After that, there are two topics occur. Addition without regrouping. Now what is addition without regrouping? एडिशन में अगर कैरिंग ओवर नहीं है तो वो क्या कहलाता है? एडिशन विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग. हियर इज एन एग्जाम्पल. Here we are going to add 4,52,304 with 1,20,681. So we'll get 5,72,985. And how we had done that? We had done ones column first, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then tens में 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 100 में 3 plus 6 is 9. Then 1000 में 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 10,000 में 5 plus 2 is 7. And then lakh में 4 plus 1 is 5. This is how we are doing it. And here no carrying over is there. Next, now here addition without regrouping. Addition with carryover. Here is an example. Here we are adding 63,72,549 to 12,34,034. So here we are adding ones column में 9 plus 4 is 13. But here I can write only 3. So 1 is carried forward to tens. Now here we'll 4 plus 3 and 1 carry, that is 8. Then hundreds में is 5 plus 0 5, 1000 में 2 plus 4 6, 10,000 में 7 plus 3 10. Now here I am writing 0 and 1 is carried forward to the next column, that is lakh. अब lakh में 3 plus 2 और 1 carry बना 6. 10 lakh में 6 plus 1 7. So this is how we are going to add. Now here in this class we'll learn one new thing about addition, that is properties of addition. My first property is order property. इसे मैं एग्जाम्पल से समझाना चाहूँगी. अगर मेरे पास 5 plus 3 है and I want the answer is yes, it is 8. And 3 plus 5, yes, it is 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Very good. Now, हमने क्या सीखा? अगर हम ऑर्डर चेंज कर देते हैं, we'll get the same answer. That is what order property says. Now here, I want to add one more thing. Order property का नाम क्या है? Commutative property. Yes, it is commutative property. Second property, grouping property. ये भी मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल से क्लियर करना चाहूँगी. अगर मुझे 3 नंबर्स ऐड करने हैं 2, 4 और 1, अब मैं आपको ऐड करने के लिए देती हूँ 2 + 4, वेरी गुड, इट्स 6, 6 + 1 7, वेरी गुड। नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, आपको करना है 4 + 1 5, 5 + 2 7, वेरी गुड। सो 3 नंबर्स भी होते हैं तो हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में कर सकते हैं, और उस प्रॉपर्टी का नेम क्या होता है? वेरी नाइस, इट्स ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टी। इसका भी एक और नेम है, कौन सा नेम है? चलिए लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी। इस प्रॉपर्टी का दूसरा नाम बताइए, associative property. This you will learn in next class. Next property is addition with zero. ये बात तो सबको पता है ना बच्चों? कोई भी नंबर में अगर हम जीरो ऐड करेंगे, what we'll get? The same number. 6 + 0 6, 7 + 0 7, 19 + 0 19. Very nice. It's very easy now. And this property is called as, one more name is there, what is that name? Identity property. Next property, addition with 1. अब हमें यहाँ क्या मिलेगा? अरे वाह, आप तो पहले से ही बताने लग गए। That is 4 + 1 is 5, 9 + 1 is 10, 12 + 1 is 13. So what we'll get? We'll get the successor of a number. Very nice, clap for yourself. Now I want to move on. अब हम अपने एक important part की ओर आएंगे, word problem. How to do word problem in addition? Very nice. हम अपने कुछ पॉइंट पिछली क्लास की तरह अपने माइंड में रखेंगे। What are these points? पहली चीज, स्टेटमेंट हमेशा कंसाइज होनी चाहिए, बहुत छोटी, लाइक नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स, कॉस्ट ऑफ चॉकलेट्स, क्वांटिटी ऑफ बुक्स, इस तरह से लिखेंगे हम। नेक्स्ट थिंग, नाउ वील राइट इट एब्रीवेटिव फॉर्म, लाइक नंबर ऑफ के लिए हम पूरा नंबर की स्पेलिंग नहीं लिखेंगे, व्हाट वील राइट? NO डॉट, है ना। क्वांटिटी लिखना है तो QTY डॉट, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम। गॉट दिस थिंग क्लियर? और एक चीज और सीखेंगे हम इस बार वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में, सॉल्व करने के बाद हम हमेशा कंक्लूसिव स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे। कैसे? चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। So here is an example for you. In a school there are 250 students in primary block, 2534 students in junior block and 1356 students in senior block. How many students are all together? What are the keywords of addition? Have you remembered that? Very nice. I want few from your side. Yes, it is all together. How many are there? Very nice. Total. These keywords if you will found in your sum, so what you will do? Addition. So you will came to know that this is the problem of addition. Now how to write? Here numbers are there, number of students are there. So what will I write for the statement? Number of students in primary block, because this is sufficient. Next, number of students in junior block and number of students in senior block. Now look here, I had maintained the symmetry. Equal to के नीचे ही is equal to, I had put equal to के नीचे equal to, and number के नीचे number, ones की place पे ones है सारे, tens पे सारे tens है, hundreds पे 100 और 1000 पे 1000, है ना। आपको भी इसी तरह नोटबुक में काम करते हुए सिमेट्री मेंटेन करनी है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स करते हुए, ठीक है। अब मैंने लिख दिया प्राइमरी ब्लॉक के सामने 250, जूनियर ब्लॉक में 2534 एंड सीनियर ब्लॉक में 1356। तो टोटल स्टूडेंट्स हमें ऐड करने से आएगा, और ऐड हम कैसे करते हैं? पहले वंस प्लेस, फिर टेंस, फिर 100 एंड फिर 1000. सो हाउ मेनी टोटल आर देयर? 3130. सो मैंने आपको कहा इस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में हम लास्ट में कंक्लूसिव स्टेटमेंट जरूर लिखेंगे. So my conclusive statement is, so there are 3130 students altogether. I want to add one more example. Here is an example for you. A company manufactured 35,06,235 red lights and 52,73,450 green lights in a month. Estimate the total numbers of light manufactured in the month. So total number से you get to know कि हमें add करना है. What does this estimate means? Estimate means round off. तो नंबर पहले तो स्टेटमेंट लिखना शुरू करिए. नंबर ऑफ रेड लाइट्स, नंबर ऑफ ग्रीन लाइट्स, टोटल लाइट्स. Here 35,06,235 is rounded off to 40 lakh. You already had done. And 52,73,450 to 50 lakh. Total number of lights are 90 lakhs. So last में मुझे कौन सी statement लिखनी थी? Conclusion statement. So here is a conclusion statement for you. So there are 90 lakh lights manufactured in this month. So here we had estimate the numbers of light. This is how we'll do estimation wali word problem. So after doing this module and watching this video, you need to do the exercise that is to be given by us. If you will face any problem, kindly consider the video again and try to solve the exercises examples. Thank you.